Hey guys, happy Saturday. Hope you guys didn't party too hard on the 4th. So since I am the 5th of July, for Saturday, I decided to record you guys a bunch of videos of fireworks going off because, yeah, fireworks are awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy the fireworks display I got going on for you. Sorry you don't actually get to see me this week, but I figured you'd rather see the sparkling lights than my face. You know, I would. So, enjoy. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Looking out a dirty old window, down below the cars in the city go rushing by. I sit here alone and I wonder why. Friday night and everyone's moving. I can feel the heat, but it's soothing, heading down. I search for the beat in this dirty town. Tell me young'uns are coming. Tell me young'uns are growing. We're the kids in America. We're the kids in America. Everybody live for the music go round. Bright lights, the music gets faster. Look boy, don't check on your watch, not another glance. I'm not leaving now, honey, not a chance. Hot shot, give me no problems. Much later, baby, you'll be saying never mind. You know life is cruel, life is never kind. Hearts to make a new story, kind hearts to grab any glory. We're the kids in America. We're the kids in America. Everybody live for the music go round. Come closer, honey, that's better. Gotta get a brand new experience for the night. Oh, don't try to stop, baby, hold tight. Outside, a new day is dawning. Outside, suburbia sprawling everywhere. I don't wanna go, baby. New York to East California. There's a new one coming, I warn ya. We're the kids in America. We're the kids in America. Everybody live for the music go round. We're the kids, we're the kids, we're the kids in America. We're the kids, we're the kids, we're the kids in